If you're searching for the perfect air fryer to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers that deliver faster cooking, extra crispy results, energy efficiency, and smart modern features for every type of home cook. Before we jump in, you'll find links to check the latest prices and full details down in the description box below. And if you enjoy honest, in-depth reviews like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next top picks. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Kicking off our list is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a true all-in-one kitchen workhorse. This versatile appliance can air fry, toast, bake, broil, and keep food warm, making it perfect for busy households that want one machine to do it all. Its spacious interior fits up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, 3 pounds of wings, or even a 4-pound chicken. Ideal for family meals. With adjustable temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a 60-minute timer, and automatic shutoff, you get precise control and peace of mind. Plus, its Air Advantage technology ensures fast, evenly crispy results with little to no oil. Pros: extremely versatile, generous capacity, easy to clean. Cons: larger footprint, may take up more counter space. Overall, it's a fantastic option if you want a powerful multi-purpose cooker in one sleek unit. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja Crispy Pro, a high-powered family-size cooking system designed to simplify mealtime. With an impressive 1,800 watts of power, it can cook up to a 7.5-pound chicken, easily feeding a crowd of up to 10 people. The modular base supports multiple glass container sizes, and the thermal shock-resistant non-toxic glass lets you go from frozen to crispy in minutes. Its 6-in-1 functionality includes air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and more, giving you serious versatility. Precise temperature control ensures consistently delicious results every time. Pros: durable glass containers, flexible capacity, leak-proof storage lids. Cons: slightly bulky for compact kitchens. If you want a safe, powerful, and flexible system built for family cooking, this one's a strong contender. At number 3, we have the Chefman Air Fryer, a compact yet powerful appliance built for quick and easy everyday cooking. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for households of 3 to 5 people. The digital touchscreen and 4 preset functions make meal prep simple, while the standout 450-degree high-fry technology gives your food an extra crispy finish, perfect for fries, wings, and more. Its sleek design saves counter space without sacrificing performance, and the LED shake reminder ensures evenly cooked results. Pros: healthier low-oil cooking, dishwasher-safe parts, automatic shutoff. Cons: may feel small for larger families. It's a stylish and reliable choice for convenient, no-fuss cooking. Taking the runner-up spot is the Ninja Air Fryer, powered by AirCrisp technology that circulates superheated 400-degree air to create crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Its 5-quart basket handles up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings, perfect for family dinners. With 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Pros: fast cooking, up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, space-saving design, easy to clean non-stick basket. Cons: may be limited for very large gatherings. If you want healthier meals without sacrificing crunch, this one delivers. And finally, our top pick, the COSORI Air Fryer. This model stands out with upgraded TurboBlaze technology, featuring a powerful 3,600 RPM fan and temperatures up to 450 degrees for fast, evenly crispy results. Whether you're cooking chicken, veggies, or frozen snacks, it delivers consistently juicy and crunchy meals. The 6-quart square basket maximizes cooking space, while the ceramic-coated interior is durable, non-stick, and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. It also operates quietly at under 53 decibels and offers precise temperature control, customizable preheat settings, and up to 95% less oil for healthier cooking. The included recipe book makes it especially beginner-friendly. Pros: fast and powerful, quiet operation, precise controls, easy cleaning. Cons: slightly larger size requires adequate counter space. Overall, it's an outstanding choice for busy families who want speed, consistency, and healthier meals, all in one sleek appliance.